Data is everywhere. Businesses are generating and collecting data at an unprecedented rate. This data comes from various sources. It comes in different formats. Extracting valuable insights from this raw data is crucial. This is where ETL comes in. ETL stands for extract, transform, load. It is a critical process for data engineers. ETL allows businesses to make sense of their data. It converts raw data into a usable format. This allows for analysis and decision-making. Traditional ETL processes are evolving. Modern ETL must handle the scale and complexity of today's data landscape. Real-time processing is becoming increasingly important. Businesses need insights quickly. They cannot wait for batch processing. Cloud computing and AI are transforming ETL. They offer scalability, flexibility, and automation. Mastering ETL is essential for data engineers in 2025. It is a valuable skill in high demand. The role of a data engineer is evolving. They need to adapt to the changing data landscape. Mastering ETL is key to success in this field. It empowers data engineers to handle the challenges of modern data management. The ETL process, though seemingly technical, is fundamentally about transforming raw data into a valuable asset. It involves three key steps: extract, transform, and load. Each step is crucial to the overall success of the ETL pipeline. The first step, extraction, involves gathering data from various sources. These sources include databases, APIs, and cloud storage. Data engineers need to ensure data quality and consistency during extraction. This step sets the stage for the entire ETL process. The next step, transformation, is where the magic happens. Raw data is converted into a meaningful and usable format. This involves cleaning, normalizing, and structuring the data. Data engineers apply business rules and data quality checks. Transformation prepares the data for analysis and reporting. Finally, the load step involves loading the transformed data. This data is loaded into data warehouses or data lakes. The choice of destination depends on the specific use case. Efficient loading ensures data accessibility for analysis and other downstream processes. The ETL landscape is constantly evolving with new technologies. Cloud-based ETL solutions are becoming increasingly popular. They offer scalability and cost-effectiveness. Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud Platform, and Microsoft Azure are major players in this domain. They provide a wide range of tools and services for building and managing ETL pipelines. Real-time ETL and streaming technologies are gaining traction. They enable businesses to process data as it arrives. This allows for immediate insights and decision-making. Apache Kafka, Apache Flink, and AWS Kinesis are popular choices for real-time ETL. AI and machine learning are transforming the ETL process. They automate data transformation, anomaly detection, and schema mapping. Tools like dbt, Monte Carlo, and Trifacta leverage AI to enhance ETL efficiency and accuracy. Data warehousing solutions are evolving to support modern ETL. Snowflake, Google BigQuery, and Amazon Redshift are popular cloud-based data warehouses. They offer scalability, performance, and integration with other cloud services. Mastering ETL is crucial for data engineers. It requires a combination of technical skills and domain knowledge. SQL is fundamental for querying and manipulating data. Python is also essential for data processing and automation. Data modeling skills are crucial for designing efficient data pipelines. Workflow orchestration is essential for managing complex ETL processes. Tools like Apache Airflow and Prefect help automate and schedule ETL jobs. Cloud infrastructure knowledge is important for deploying and managing ETL pipelines in the cloud. AWS, GCP, and Azure offer certifications for cloud expertise. Data quality and observability are paramount in ETL. Tools like Great Expectations and Monte Carlo ensure data accuracy and reliability. Data engineers need to monitor ETL pipelines for performance and errors. Mastering modern ETL opens up new career opportunities. Data engineers with ETL expertise are in high demand. They command competitive salaries and benefits. The future of data engineering is bright. Embrace the power of ETL and unlock a world of opportunities.